Think you need experience to build a portfolio? Think again. Your journey starts with creativity, not credentials. Start by crafting projects that show what you can do, even if they're just exercises or passion projects. Use your hobbies and everyday skills as secret weapons to make your portfolio uniquely you. Share your process, your learning moments, and how you solve problems. That's the real showstopper. Build an online space where your work and personality shine, giving recruiters a glimpse of the real you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your first step is what sets everything else in motion. Ready to turn no experience into your loudest roar? Like, share, and comment as your future depends on it, because it does.